Good evening friends, welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the transit of red planet Mars from Taurus to Leo 5th September and Jupiter and Saturn in Capricorn from 14th September to 20th September 2021. The cat may come out of the bag in Maharashtra as far as scams are concerned. So friends, let me just read out the article and you would appreciate it the way I have analyzed it in all ways. The transit of red planet Mars from Taurus to Leo till 5th September and Jupiter Saturn in Capricorn from 14th September to 20th November 2021. The cat may come out of the bag in Maharashtra as far as scams are concerned. And the article, read my article, The Fate of Maharashtra Government and Why Maharashtra State is also prone to coronavirus. I have given, this is in continuation to that article. I have been mentioning in all my articles that Mars is the final planet for activation, and Jupiter and Saturn, the dual transit, first the dual transit has to activate it, and then Mars activates the sensitive arc in the zodiac, and that is when the peak of the things take place. So most important, since this is most important, the dual transit of Saturn and Jupiter is most important since the 9th and the 10th lord of the natural zodiac and activating that house for the results. Using these principles, I have predicted that scams will be exposed in the above time frames. Sushant Singh Rajput case. Now, as far as Sushant Singh Rajput case is concerned, the death was discovered on the 14th June 2020, and and you can see in the chart that Jupiter and Saturn are retrograde in the 7th house in the sign Capricorn. So when Jupiter and Saturn again get conjunct in the sign Capricorn after the 14th September to 20th November, things will be exposed. It is just like, you know, two people sit in a room and they decide things and then they go away. But after they leave the room, one of them thinks that this, whatever decisions have been taken are not appropriate. So the planet which has left the sign comes back, and that is when Jupiter goes in Aquarius, it becomes retrograde and comes back in Capricorn. It is a fallen planet. A fallen planet is extremely venomous. So Jupiter is the 6th lord and the 9th lord at the time when the death was discovered in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. So when Jupiter comes back and meets Saturn, the 8th lord and the 7th lord, so then there will be something will be exposed. So that is why I have said that from 14th September to 20th November will be the most enigmatic time when the scams will be unearthed and some reality will come and will be exposed. That is why I say the cat will come out of the bag. So let me, I've written the parameters for this. Then chart of Sachin Vaze. I don't have the details when is the birth time, but my way of working is research is that use the planets, especially the planets, you know, slow moving planets, they don't change degrees or anything during the day. It is only which moon changes, and then moon may not even change, moon may remain in that sign. So I use the planets, you know, as compared to the transit planets and then give the results. Now, as far as Sachin Vaze is concerned, he has Moon and Saturn in the sign Taurus, over which the Angarak Yoga is there, over Moon and Saturn. And And Rahu is there in the sign Capricorn, where Saturn is transiting, and Mars will come over Ketu. So that is the time between 2nd June to 20th July. And to be specific, when Mars will be close to 11 degrees. When will Mars be close to 11 degrees? It is 19 degrees probably on the 2nd of July. So maybe few days before 2nd of July, maybe 10 days before 2nd of July, around the 20th, 22nd of June, something will be exposed. So that is how I decide. And then what I've written, Angarak Yoga over the natal moon and Saturn till 14th April 2021. So till 14th April 2021 something may be exposed. Jupiter and Saturn over the natal Rahu in Capricorn. Mars transit in Gemini after that 14th April to 2nd June, when it will aspect the natal Jupiter and Rahu. Mars over the natal Ketu after the 2nd June to 20th July. Most prone period for Sachin Vaze coming for the scams coming out of the bag. Jupiter fallen over the natal Rahu in Capricorn, and Saturn and Jupiter both retrogression over the natal Rahu. Review of the situation from the 14th September to 20th November 2021. Chart of famous leader, I don't want to name him. Have a look at the planetary positions. At the moment, he has Mars, Rahu and Saturn in Capricorn. So it is very obvious that when Saturn and Jupiter will transit for the third time in the sign Capricorn, and that will be from the 14th September to 20th November, things will be reviewed. So primarily speaking, Angarak Yoga till 14 July over the natal Rahu, and 10th June eclipse falling over the natal Sun. Mars transit over the Gemini and Cancer, most venomous for him. From the 14th April to 20th July, especially over the natal Ketu from after the 2nd June 2021 to 20th July 2021. Jupiter fallen over the natal Saturn, Rahu, Moon, along with Saturn, as I've already mentioned, between 14th September to 20th November. In a nutshell, we can say that the time frame from the 14th September to 20th November 2021 will be the most prone time for the above natives whose chart has been discussed in this article. Things will be exposed for 2 people. Many are more people also, because you cannot discuss all the charts and something has to be kept secretive also. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say, that things will be exposed. It is the great conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter is taking place for the third time during this period between September and November. I will write another article on this great conjunction, because this great conjunction is of great importance, because they are the 9th and the 10th lord of the natural zodiac. And as per Parit Samhita, chapter number 10, whenever these planets meet, it's a time for recession, it's a time for war-like situations, and things will change. But only after Jupiter crosses Saturn, then things will improve, the infrastructure will improve. But first there will be renovations, some improvements, some new things to be brought in the society. So Jupiter and Saturn conjunction for the third time in Capricorn. First time they met in March 2020, then after November 2020, and now in September 2021. So I will write an article and I make a video for that, the importance of that. And when Mars activates the 6 degrees of the conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter is most important on the 24th, 25th April, And then when Mars activates the 19 degrees or conjunction of Jupiter and Venus, 19 degrees on the 1st and 2nd July. These two dates are very important, even for exposure of things in Maharashtra or throughout the world. So this is all I just wanted to share, friends. Astrology is most amazing, and if it is used in the right perspective, and if the parameters are also used with care, and each and every parameter has some relevance, and all the principles are used. Even if one principle is not used, then your prediction may not be correct. You have to make a Bible, go through the Bible for predicting any event. So that is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Have a good day and thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.